Hello, welcome to a short tutorial on using MyGateway for course TE6250 with Dr. Kim Song. To access the course online, go to mygateway.umsl.edu and then enter in your SSO ID followed by your password in the left MyGateway login box. Then click Login. You will enter into a MyGateway portal within which courses you're enrolled in, perhaps courses that you're teaching, or more would be listed. In this case, we're looking for TE6250. You would be seeking this course out as a student. This takes you then, after clicking on the course, into a welcome and introduction screen. Dr. Song has provided you with a welcome message as well as her biography and information on her publication record as well as policies for the course. It's important to see on the left side here several buttons which will help you navigate through the course through the term. We've now referenced the Welcome and Introduction tab. Let's click on Important Contacts. This is an important tab because this provides you with Dr. Song's contact information as well as information in regards to how to use VoiceThread, which you'll be using during the semester in the course to participate in group discussions, uploading video files, perhaps just using text. It depends on how you wish to utilize VoiceThread, and having support in some instances is helpful. There is also the Center for Student Success, which is located in the Student Center for students who are facing challenges yet are seeking out additional support to succeed. The third button or tab would be the Syllabus tab. Dr. Song informs that on her syllabus there are 8 modules and that she will also provide a 16-week schedule. The next tab would be Announcements. This is a unique tab because it can be used throughout the term by a professor to keep students updated and abreast of grading, perhaps course changes and more. It looks like that Dr. Song here on January 13th provided information about the announcements, the learning modules, what we're going through right now. The Learning Modules tab is the most important tab because this tab has all of the modules, all of the required assignments for the semester listed. And each module has folders within it indicated by W1, W2, perhaps W3, W4. W1 meaning week 1. So for module 1, during the first week, which is from January 17th through the 21st, we see that we have particular overview learning objectives and a timeline, and during this time there are 3 things that we need to do. So therefore, look for a similar format within each module as you progress through each week throughout the term. Let's take a look at step 1 just to go a bit deeper within this week for this module. It appears that Dr. Song would like for you to use VoiceThread to introduce yourself for the course, and that can be set up in this lower left-hand corner by clicking on either Sign In or Register. Sign In, of course, would be for those who already have VoiceThread accounts. This next tab is called Tools. You can look through here to send email to your classmates, look at the class roster. This might look a little bit different for yourself perhaps, but I have found that there are some unique features in here, and familiarizing yourself with what's under Tools might be something that you would appreciate doing. For each week, there's an assignment, and in most cases there are group discussions. Your group tab underneath group discussion board might look a little bit different than mine, given that I am an assistant for the course, not necessarily a student. And each student, it appears, has been assigned to a particular group. So let's say, for example, you've been assigned to group 1. Clicking on here you might find your name, and then you have tools to utilize to participate in group discussions within the discussion board, sometimes noted as DB. So if you see DB, just know that's referring to the discussion board. Let's click on Group Discussion Board under Group Tools, and we see that there is a reflection that already has been started to be used for the assignment. And to participate, one clicks on a thread, reads what's listed. It looks like there is some information here, and let's say, for example, it said, please reply to this. To do that within the group discussion board, you then click on reply, and then go into the message box, type in your message. We'll just type test reply, and then scrolling down, let's say you wanted to add something else, you could. You would browse on my computer and then let's say upload a picture, a Word document, or more. That's a unique feature within the discussion board. Once all is said and done, you've typed your response, maybe uploaded a file. You then click the lower right hand corner button, which is yellow, titled Submit, and then as that processes, it takes you back to the thread within the discussion board, and you can see here my name, Jack Simons, has been listed, and that introduction response has been uploaded. We read that right here to confirm that. The final tab would be your grades, how you're progressing and scoring in the course, and I don't have access to that, but throughout the semester you could click on My Grades to see if your grades are listed there. So this ends our short tutorial. Best of luck during your semester in course TE6250.